Welcome back guys to Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about local updates for ICP and the Bitcoin. Let's dive in. First of all, let's start with the Bitcoin. Personally, for me, absolutely everything's still relevant. You can't open the charts of Sp500. So we almost hit the new all-time high, historical new all-time high. So you already saw the Nasdaq hit new all-time high. The gold hit new all-time high, so we are less than 1% from historical all-time high, where all that macro, geopolitical, stock, and crypto expert who screamed about S&P 500 have to drop to from this current price in October 2022 or even in October 2023. During all this year, they screamed about we have to drop to lower than this one, 2,800. Forming the new low here, or even sweep this low in February, April 2020. So I don't know how the people analyze the market, but all the time, the majority is wrong. Of course, we usually can see something like this one. We work with possibilities, but all the time, just turn on your logic and zoom out and take a look at a wider picture. What's going on in the world, not only on the chart. If we take a look on Bitcoin dominance here, still waiting this target. Would be good, of course, to see, this is a monthly time frame, would be good to see 57 and 16, then drop to altcoin season. What I don't like this stuff on Bitcoin dominance on ATH. So here, the worst case scenario, the Bitcoin can pump even to 76 to sweep this high if something extraordinary happened in the market and really they approve the ETF and just basically all money start inflowing the Bitcoin. So we can see something like this one, because here was the drop in August 17 for Bitcoin, then drop in January 18, and then distribution from Bitcoin August 18, September into altcoins. And here was a November, December, January 2021 into altcoin season. So this was altcoin season if we compare with the Bitcoin. So now let's take a look on Bitcoin. Here's a global chart, what I showed you before. It's Bitstamp. So S&P 500 now at this, around here, almost at the all-time high. Nasdaq already here, being here. So gold also. So I already explained to you the main scenario, what is nobody can expect now. It's not that this correction or a 10K, nobody can expect. So the Bitcoin can move higher to new all-time high, for example, to 2024. The consensus now, the bulls waiting the drop like this one, we have to go into correction. The bears waiting the same story. We have to go into correction. And this is going to be the consensus where the market makers can wrecked both camps, if we move sideways and one more impulse. So impulse, sideways, impulse. For example, it can be 87K, and in this area, after ETF, after or before the halving, nobody can know what to do next, because we never seen something similar. Here on the monthly time frame, we just start climbing up a little bit higher than a middle line on a monthly time frame. Previously, how it works. Here, we climb it up from January 18, here, then COVID dump, of course. But COVID dump, it's something extraordinary situation. Nobody could predict this black swan in the world, the pandemic in the world. So now the people waiting the ETF, it's something new. No, ETF, it's not something new. In Canada, we already got an ETF for Bitcoin, and nothing happened with the Bitcoin. You have to dive in a little bit more into a BlackRock situation. So the BlackRock on the market since 2015. The BlackRock own top 5 miners Bitcoin. So trust me, I guess BlackRock got more Bitcoin than anyone else on this market. And look, this was a signal 2 out of the Bitcoin in January, February, March, April 2021, and then sell, May. Drop. Here also on ATH. Not so crazy hype, euphoria like this one. Also, I would like to see the warranty. So the test of this high but lower than this one. So we formed the monthly divergence. So if we zoom out, it can be like this one, to be clear. This one. This is how the whales distribute their coins. From this top in April 2013, then to November 17, and then March 2021, and it can be there, for example, I don't know, maybe March, April, May 2024. New all-time high. Maybe. This is what nobody expect from this one. Next one for Bitcoin, also the money power market mode for Bitcoin. Here, just only start now, fix some profit. Here, the whales. This is what about money power. No euphoria. So this is how the euphoria looks like. Extreme red color on a monthly. Now we're just in like a hope zone, like optimism, positive in the market. And here straight on, I remind you, every single time when we see the recommendation close position and the buy back, we move higher. This is what about Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, absolutely still relevant. I highly recommend to go and check my main video for Bitcoin. Here's a chart on ICP. Absolutely also still relevant for ICP. I highly recommend to not skip the post for ICP. And now I'm surprised how the people work with the charts, work with the assets. So when ICP in accumulation zone, everybody just screaming, oh, this is going down because it's a scam. ICP, it's a scam, blah, 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 all this stuff. This fancy comparison between the ICP and the Solana, blah, blah, blah. Solana pumped from $8 to $80 in 1 year and ICP only going down. Who cares about your soul? Congrats everybody who buying a soul. Congrats everybody who buying Injective. Always pay respects to another investors. Because when just market makers start trade this asset and soul going, for example, to correction, or Injective going to correction, or any other coin can go to correction, and money start inflow in ICP, we are not to start blaming, oh, you're not buying ICP because you're too late. No, come on. We can't buy in every single asset in this market. It's not enough money. So ICP made a good move, and I don't know why the people so FOMO about this 300 move on ICP from the last bottom in October 2023. You know, we closed just the first monthly gap. It's just the first monthly gap we done. I market this price before. So it's just the first step. Now the correction can be even to this high, this one, $7.25. It will be more than okay to see the few weeks like this move and continuation up. Like usual, we work with possibilities, and a negative scenario can be even like this one. Forming the new historical low. Absolutely everything possible. Next step is 24. Why 24? Because I market this liquidity pool, this one and this one. So this is the next one, and 37, and this one, 87. So this is a target for 2024, 2025. Some people now start chasing this block. I'm not sure, so we can hit this block this cycle. We'll see. If we will hit this block, I will be more than okay and happy, you know. So my target where I start fix some profit, just some profit, maybe 37, then 87, and this will be the most position. Probably will be close, but of course I will take a look on seasonality and the timing. And this is a last one, maybe I will leave some 20%. But of course, take a look on a mass adoption, take a look on timing on the market. Also, if we take a look here, once again, on indicators, pay attention for ADZ direction here. We never seen the, on a monthly time frame, we never seen the crazy distribution zones. You know, I don't know why the people blame the coin because they bought in May 2021. Imagine the people blame the coin because they bought a coin at an all-time high. End of bull run, all-time high. Of course you will be, of course you blame the coin, but it's only your mistake. So now congrats everybody who accumulated zone of interest in the zone of accumulation, and we move 300% up. But don't fall in FOMO because it's still early for the ICP. Here, lay down on the bottom on direction. never seen the hype around even at the top or even over the middle, you know. So this is how it works. I don't know why the people just to chase a local trades and then lose everything. Market mood, money power. Here, just start climbing up on a money power higher. On a weekly time frame, we came into some kind of euphoria zone. So it would be good to see the correction, then continuation, and the whales fix some profit. I already explained to you why the whales fix some profit, because they invest totally another initial deposit, size of initial deposit. So from $3 to $6, they could made a 100% profit with millions, and now they can ride with free coins, easily. So this is a target for correction, you know, and this is the next target bullish. To buy now, the people ask me, is it okay to buy now? It's only up to you and your risk management. Are you ready for this, for example, move minus 50%? If it's okay for you, because you don't need this money tomorrow for the college, tomorrow to pay rent, you can buy now. You can accumulate now. Only just by luck, the people catch exact bottom. No, usually the people just accumulate in accumulation zone. Start distributing zone of interest. So all main targets still relevant. Take profit, trade on. Here, we just on take profit and weekly time frame. Here, what signal to buy? If you use my custom maker set, you can do everything right. Here, 200% profit. You buying in November 2022, just wait, absolutely don't care, and fix 200% profit, 230. No signal to sell now. Still no signal to sell. So this is how it works. On a monthly, no data. A lot of altcoin already made it 500% or even 1,000. So guys, always build your plan when to in, when to out. For local trades here, it would be good to see the test of this block. The lines, like you can see on a take profit start curve up. So it would be good to see something like this move, for example, then retest the buy line. But I would like to show you example Ella. Market doesn't owe you nothing. Absolutely. So you just build your average entry, build your average exit. This is a Ella without any correction, without anything here. 500% move. Without correction, nothing. It's a daily time frame, 1 week. In 1 week, 500%. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in the comment what is your price targets for the Bitcoin for 2024. What is your price targets for the ICP? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you would like to trade with my custom maker set, what I show you in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.